NDA stands for non-disclosure agreement. It's the one document that allows you to kickstart commercial negotiations in confidence, so you can reveal information knowing that the other party cannot. In simple terms, it's essential at the outset of a deal if you're trying to protect yourself and your business ideas. So if you're looking to put an NDA in place, here are 6 key tips. Number 1, make sure you verify the names and addresses of the parties involved. If there's a breach of the agreement, you'll need to know where to issue proceedings. Number 2, define clearly what is confidential information. People often get this bit wrong, and believe it or not, it's the main reason for costly legal disputes. Number 3, state under what circumstances the confidential information can be used. This is usually called the permitted purpose. So if you're given an item or a new product, are you permitted to take it apart or strip it down? Number 4, what can the recipient do with the confidential information? For example, can financial data be passed to a third party like an accountant to be verified? Number 5, don't forget to include a time span for how long the obligations are to last. And number 6, last and certainly not least, make sure you cite the remedies and penalty provisions if there's a breach of the agreement. They say talk is cheap, but if someone ends up revealing your confidential information and you have an NDA in place, not only will you save on legal costs, but you'll have legal protection to try to stop the issue causing you and your business any further harm.